Welcome back to Explore Error. I recommend that each of you disable these 3 Google settings. Doing this will help improve your security and privacy on your smartphone and also reduce background activity. You may even notice that your battery drains less. This is a very useful change. Friends, please support this video with a like. Let's get started. Go to your main settings and scroll down to the Google section. Open this section to access your Google account. At the top, you will see All Services. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you reach the Privacy and Security section. Open the first setting. Go into Usage and Diagnostics. This option is not really helpful for regular users because it increases background activity and tracks your actions. It collects data and sends it to developers for analysis. Make sure to disable this setting. Extra background activity is not necessary for most users. Next, go to Personalization with General Data. Open it and disable everything you see there. It says that Google Apps can use data on your device to improve recommendations and suggestions. In simple terms, this allows more tracking and more targeted ads. Turn off all the options you find here. You might also see additional apps like Maps, Gmail, or Chrome. Disable all of them, then go back. Now for the third and last setting. Go to the Ads section. Here you will see your advertising ID, which is used to track you and show ads. First, tap on Reset Advertising ID and confirm it. Then select Delete Advertising ID and disable it completely. After doing this, you may notice fewer ads, possibly around 50% less. Ads might still appear, but they will be less frequent and less targeted. That is much better than constant personalized ads. By completing these steps, you reduce Google tracking and make your phone more private and efficient. If you liked this video, please support it with a like and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, stay positive, and goodbye.